back here on Andy's Bentley. Oh yeah. Yeah. Definitely was leaking. You can tell because there's one pad fatter than the other. And when it's leaking, it's obviously a loss of pressure. Alright, so Wes is gonna get this caliper off and we're gonna rebuild it, lickety split, and put it right back.
Patter. Oh, this is all scuzzy.
So we're gonna get this line has to come off. Oh, ow, ow, ow. That one's coming off. And then you got the other one down yonder there. It's got to come off. Fun.
Oh yeah.
Get that apart. Fun with Bentleys. That's absolute sarcasm. Welcome to our hell. So, Wes, aim that. Yeah, there you go. The bolts to remove the caliper. Right there. That's cute.
2 yellow ones.
Yeah, not too bad. You gotta undo this one brake line too, huh? Right here. Yeah.
That one. And then that one down there. And then fiddle with the parking brake.
I like how there's like 3 friggin' brake lines. Oh, Bentley, you are so screwy. Alright, back to fun. It's off, you say?
Oh, she off.
Oh, what a pain in the ass that was.
Yeah.
Had to undo the hub from the backside. That was a pain in the ass. But Wesley got it. Oh, that thing's been leaking a while. That thing's gross.
Yeah.
Alright, let's clean that and disassemble that, eh? Should we put it on the bench? Ooh. Do you got the poo on you?
I got a lot of poo on me.
Got the poo on you? Alright. So, we're not splitting the case, but we're going to replace all the seals. Let me get the seal kit out and... Alright, there's our seal kit. Good old flying spares. They might be over in jolly old England, but I would rather order it from them. Oh, hold on. Alright, there's our seal kit. Got everything we need to rebuild one caliper. Came in from Flying Spares. We love ordering from Flying Spares when it comes to Bentley and Rolls-Royce items. I mean, yeah, we could order from somewhere in the U.S., but the customer service and everything from Flying Spares makes it worth it to order from the UK because they're great chaps over there in jolly old England. Pip pip cheerio, old chap. So the set does come to rebuild both. We're only rebuilding the right side for now. If the left side decides to start acting up later, we have the stuff. We'll have them here. Andy will actually keep them in the car for you. And boom, splash 2.
I got the stuff on me.
That's a lot of the poo.
There are the holes.
I tell you to keep blowing. It's coming out in here. Hit it. Coming right out here. God, that's cold. Wes has all the new seals in. Purdy. Yeah, you get it. Anyway, he's going to slide the pistons in. He's going to put the new outer seals with snap rings on. Done deal. Put this baby back together.
Pitter patter.
Assembly.
That part's getting fucking lined up in the bore. There she goes.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Like a brand new caliper.
There she is.
All right. Then the seal and the snap ring. Money. And with that, the caliper has been rebuilt. Bitchin', sir.
Oh, yeah.
That was the fun part of putting it all back together. I was lying about that being fun. And with that, Wes says it's done. So all we gotta do tomorrow is bleed it, put the wheel on it, drive it, and ship it.
Say goodbye.
Yep. Good job, Wes. All done. Looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.